Hello guys, welcome to today's review. So Xvairo.com promises a free 0.31 BTC just for signing up, but is it a genuine crypto platform or a scam in 2025? I have investigated user reports and red flags to reveal the truth. Let us begin. So this one claims to be a crypto trading platform offering 0.32 bitcoins upon registration with promo codes like ELON or CR7. It displays a professional website and fake celebrity endorsements, including deepfake videos of Elon Musk to lure users. The catch: you can't withdraw without paying a fee. Xvairo is a confirmed scam. After signing up, your account shows 0.31 BTC, but withdrawing requires a 0.0035 to 0.005 bitcoins activation fee. So once paid, funds vanish and support disappears. Other red flags include no company info, a recently registered domain, and cloned website designs per ibisk.com. So guys, nothing much to say here. This is just a beautifully looking, in bracket, fake websites using fake balances and deepfake ads to trick users into paying fees for non-existent Bitcoin. Avoid it entirely. So guys, if you signed up or paid, stop engaging, secure your crypto wallet, and report to actionfraud.police.uk. Recover is unlikely, but beware of follow-up recovery scams in the future. Share below your experience if you have any with this website, like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one, guys. Stay safe.